In the heart of East Java, Indonesia, a truly remarkable natural wonder exists. It is a place where the earth itself seems to breathe fire and smoke. This is the Kawah Ijen volcano, part of the Ijen volcano complex. It is not just another mountain peak, it is a living, breathing testament to the immense power that lies just beneath our feet. The landscape here is both beautiful and harsh. It is a world painted in shades of grey ash, yellow sulfur, and the deep turquoise of an acid lake. This place captures the imagination and reminds us of our planet's incredible and sometimes dangerous creative forces. It is a destination that draws scientists, travelers, and hardy workers alike. The journey to the crater rim is an experience in itself. One must often hike in the darkness of the early morning. The air grows cooler and thinner with every step upwards. The path winds through a rugged terrain, a testament to the volcanic forces that have shaped this land over millennia. The anticipation builds with the rising altitude. What awaits at the summit is a sight that feels almost otherworldly, a scene from another planet. The silence of the pre-dawn world is broken only by the crunch of boots on volcanic soil and the distant, deep rumble of the earth. This is a pilgrimage to witness one of nature's most spectacular displays. At the summit, one is greeted by a breathtaking panorama. Below lies a vast crater, almost a kilometer wide. Nestled within it is the world's largest acidic crater lake. Its waters are a stunning, almost unnatural shade of turquoise. This beautiful color, however, hides a dangerous secret. The lake is a massive reservoir of sulfuric and hydrochloric acid, making it incredibly corrosive. Steam often rises from its surface, mingling with the sulfurous gases that vent from the volcano's active fumaroles. This combination of serene beauty and potent danger is what makes Kawah Ijen so utterly captivating. It is a perfect example of nature's duality. The significance of this volcano extends beyond its geological marvels. For centuries, it has been a vital, albeit perilous, source of income for the local communities. The rich deposits of pure sulfur found here have been mined by hand in a tradition passed down through generations. This human element adds a profound layer to the story of Kawah Ijen. It is a place where the raw power of nature intersects directly with the resilience and endurance of the human spirit. The story of this volcano is incomplete without understanding the people whose lives are so deeply intertwined with its fiery heart and the valuable yellow mineral it produces. One of the most extraordinary phenomena at Kawah Ijen occurs under the cover of darkness. As night falls upon the crater, a truly magical sight appears. Eerie electric blue flames flicker and dance across the landscape. This is not lava, as one might first assume. It is a rare and beautiful chemical reaction. The volcano releases high-pressure sulfuric gases from cracks in the rock, at temperatures of up to 600 degrees Celsius. When these superheated gases come into contact with the oxygen in the air, they ignite. This combustion produces the spectacular blue fire that illuminates the night with an unearthly glow. This mesmerizing display is a result of science, not magic, but it feels like witnessing something from a fantasy world. The blue color comes from the burning sulfur. When sulfur burns, it emits light that is predominantly in the blue part of the spectrum, creating this stunning visual effect. The flames can leap up to 5 meters into the air, creating flowing rivers of blue light that cascade down the rocky slopes of the crater. It is a sight that few people on Earth will ever witness firsthand. It transforms the dark, imposing crater into a breathtaking natural light show, a silent, beautiful dance of chemistry and physics. These blue flames are not just a beautiful spectacle, they are also the source of the sulfur that is mined here. As the burning sulfuric gas cools, it condenses back into a liquid. This molten sulfur, glowing a deep red, drips down the rock faces. It collects in pools, where it eventually cools and solidifies into the bright yellow mineral that the miners seek. The entire process is a direct consequence of the volcanic activity happening deep within the earth. The blue fire is the visible sign of the volcano creating its valuable resource, a process that is as dangerous as it is beautiful to observe from a safe distance. Seeing these flames is a truly humbling experience. It connects you to the fundamental forces that shape our world. The sight is a powerful reminder that our planet is still active and constantly changing. While other volcanoes may produce similar phenomena, the scale and accessibility of the blue fire at Kawah Ijen are unique. It offers a rare window into the powerful geological and chemical processes that are usually hidden from our view. It is a vivid and unforgettable demonstration of the raw, elemental power of nature, burning brightly in the quiet darkness of the Indonesian night. The story of Kawah Ijen is also a story of incredible human strength. Every day, local men make the difficult journey into the crater. They are the sulfur miners of Ijen. Their work is considered one of the toughest jobs in the world. They descend the steep, rocky path into the crater, often with little more than a flashlight to guide them in the dark. The air they breathe is thick with toxic sulfur dioxide gas, which stings the eyes and burns the lungs. Many miners only have a wet cloth to cover their mouth and nose as protection against the poisonous fumes that swirl around them. I once spoke with a miner named Budi. He had been working at the volcano for over 15 years. He told me, "This work is very hard. My shoulders always hurt. But I have a family. I have children who must go to school. This is the only way I can provide for them." He explained how he breaks the cooled yellow sulfur into large chunks using a simple steel bar. He then loads the heavy pieces into 2 baskets, which are connected by a bamboo pole. The weight is immense, often between 70 and 90 kilograms. Carrying this load is a true test of physical endurance and determination. The journey out of the crater is perhaps the most grueling part of the job. The miners must carry their heavy load up the steep, treacherous path to the crater rim. This is a climb of about 300 meters on a path that is uneven and often slippery. They take slow, deliberate steps, their bodies straining under the incredible weight. Tourists who walk the same path without any load often find it challenging. To see these men carry such heavy burdens up the same incline is a profoundly moving and humbling sight. They might make this trip once or twice a day, earning a small amount for every kilogram they deliver. Despite the immense hardship, there is a strong sense of community among the miners. They look out for one another on the dangerous paths. They share stories and offer encouragement. Their lives are tied to this mountain, and they face its challenges with a quiet dignity and remarkable resilience. Budi pointed to the scars on his shoulders from the bamboo pole and said, "This is the mark of Ijen. It is the mark of a father's love." Their story is a powerful reminder of the lengths people will go to for their families, turning a dangerous volcanic crater into a place of work and survival. Kawah Ijen presents us with a striking contrast. It is a place of sublime natural beauty, a destination that fills visitors with a sense of awe and wonder. The turquoise lake and the ethereal blue flames are sights of almost unparalleled splendor. They showcase the incredible artistry of our planet's geological forces. For tourists, a visit to Ijen is an adventure, a chance to capture stunning photographs and witness a rare natural spectacle. It is a highlight of a trip to Indonesia, an experience that will be remembered for a lifetime. The volcano is a jewel of the natural world, a place to be admired and protected. However, for the local mining community, this same landscape represents something very different. For them, the crater is not a tourist destination, it is their workplace. The toxic gases and steep paths are not part of an adventure, they are daily obstacles in a life of hard physical labor. The beauty that visitors admire is intertwined with the burden that the miners carry on their shoulders every single day. This duality is at the very heart of Kawah Ijen's story. It is a place where the pursuit of beauty and the struggle for survival happen side by side, creating a complex and poignant human and natural drama. This brings us to a difficult question. How do we balance the appreciation of this natural wonder with the welfare of the people who depend on it? The growth of tourism has brought some benefits. Some miners can now earn extra income by acting as guides or by selling small sulfur-carved souvenirs to visitors. This offers a less physically demanding alternative. However, the core mining activity continues, driven by industrial demand for sulfur, which is used in everything from making matches and fertilizer to bleaching sugar. The challenge is to ensure that the economic benefits of both tourism and mining directly improve the lives and working conditions of these men. Ultimately, Kawah Ijen teaches us a profound lesson about our planet and our place within it. It reminds us that the world's most beautiful places can also be its most challenging. The volcano is a powerful symbol of nature's creative and destructive force, and the miners are a testament to the endurance and resilience of the human spirit. As we admire the blue flames and the turquoise lake, we must also remember the men who walk into the volcano's heart. Their story is an inseparable part of the magic of Kawah Ijen, a story of a delicate and often difficult balance between a natural wonder and human endeavor.